Hello. Comparatives and superlatives form of adjectives. The bold orange is smaller than the red bag. The yellow pencil is bigger than the blue pencil. This computer is never than your computer. One is tired than his brother. One is the tired of his brothers. The ant is the smart animal in the world. The rabbit is a small but the mouse is a smile. The monkey is ugly, but the gazelle is fat. The giraffe is taller than the elephant. The dog is bigger than the cat. People, Anna is more beautiful than Samantha. Samantha is beautiful than Anna. Natalia has as much brown hair as Lady. Cartagena is more expensive than Santa Marta City. Bogotá is the biggest city in Cundinamarca. Thank you.